Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to add voice speech capabilities to your VS Code editor, right? You can use it with GitHub Copilot. So as you can see, this is the extension developed by Microsoft. If you just go to extensions tab, just write VS Code speech. Now this is the verified extension will come right here. It will bring the speech to text capability to your VS Code alongside with GitHub Copilot. Simply activate this extension, and after activating it, now if you open your GitHub Copilot by clicking on that, it will add this button here. If you see start voice chat. So once you click this button, the button will get activated and now it is listening. So please modify this code so that it converts images to PDF. So convert this code to image to PDF. So you can click the escape key as well to start and stop. So there is some kind of setting you can do if in this go to extension settings and right here you can set this speech language, everything you can set right here. Set this image to PDF, and after you click this you need to speak something through your microphone, and then it will detect it and work with GitHub Copilot. So in this easy way you can activate this extension VS Code speech and use this speech to text capability. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.